only, Italian chef himself, Gino from Donatello's. Welcome back, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Natalie wanted to compliment you on this beautiful outfit.
Thank you.
That you're wearing. It's not an outfit.
It's an outfit.
It's not an outfit.
We've constituted what makes an outfit, and it's a number of pieces that you have on.
Good job, Gino.
If it looks like you put on something that came out of a kit, then it's an outfit.
What would your wife say? Outfit or clothes, or neither of the above?
She might go outfit with what you're wearing today,
Oh
Jerome.
man, oh man. Hey, so
You're looking sharp.
You too, man. So who does the cooking in your house? Do you cook in the restaurant?
We both do.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, my wife and I both cook.
Hey, and not to get started on a somber note, but I just wanted to tell you how much I miss your dad, the legendary Guido. We have a photo of it. This is my all-time favorite photo.
It's one of my favorites, also.
And I miss seeing him in the restaurant. Look at this. You said this was taken somewhere in Europe in the 1960s.
Yes, sir. Yeah, somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where, but it's a great shot.
Boy, just a man, not a care in the world. Just
he's having fun right there.
Living the life in Europe. Well, but here's the thing now. Your dad is looking down on us right now, so you better get this right.
The pressure's on.
What are we
like
making,
never
Gino?
before. We're making a tortellini for you today. It's our homemade tortellini with a meat filling, and we're going to do it with a cream sauce, prosciutto, little prosciutto cotto, some peas, butter, cream, parmesan, all the beautiful flavors.
On the menu, this is called Dieter's Delight.
Yes,
by the way.
this is recommended
Most of the menus, right?
recommended by Jenny Craig. Okay.
And you guys make all your own pasta. I saw the Facebook post the other day.
We do. We make, well, not all of it. We don't make the linguine and angel hair and pinne, but we make all the stuffed pastas. So the tortellini, the agnolotti, which is a ravioli that's filled with ricotta cheese and spinach. And we make our own cannelloni, we make our own fettuccine. So right here we're just gonna give a little char to the prosciutto. This is prosciutto cotto as opposed to prosciutto crudo. So prosciutto is ham, but then prosciutto crudo is the salted that we typically serve with fruit, melon or kiwi or something. But
and if you've never had that, it's amazingly good. The sweet
excellent.
and the salty together.
Yeah, really make a nice combination. So we're just gonna get a little bit of the flavor out of the prosciutto here. Let that get a little color on it.
Now, how do you, because when I try to do something like this, I always burn one side of the meat. How do you keep, you just need to keep it moving more?
Yeah, keep it going, and don't leave it still too long. Don't give it a little toss. I mean, it's not important that it's perfect all the way around every which way. You just want to pull the flavor out a little bit and, get it. It really brings a little bit of the fat out, a little bit of the flavor out to give it a little char before you put in the sauce.
I guess if it was cooked perfectly all the way around, it would be cooked in the microwave, and no one needs any of that.
Correct.
Yeah.
I don't think Gino's doing that. I don't think he's doing that.
So I'm going to pull that back out and add a little more butter because
Why
it
not?
makes everything good, right?
Yeah, and it's all natural.
That's right. Do a little bit of butter here, then we're going to add our cream. Our tortellini are filled with, they're made in-house. They're filled with a little bit of mortadella, a little bit of prosciutto, also a little veal, a little bit of this and that, some seasoning, some flavors. So it's a meat filling.
Boy, making the tortellini has got to be, well, when you first start doing it, I mean, it almost seems like an impossible thing to do.
It's
time-consuming, isn't it?
It's time-consuming, and then it just takes a little practice to get it to get the motion right.
Sure.
But once you do a few hundred or a few thousand, or it comes natural.
You do it with your eyes closed.
Yeah.
Now, do you still do any of that?
I do every once in a while in the back. Honestly, I don't do it as well as the guys that make them every few days. They make a few hundred every few days because we sell a ton of these. This is one of our most popular dishes. I'm going to add our cream here.
By the way, I noticed you are using the same pan. See, I'm always thinking about like how to clean up the kitchen because Gino knows my husband does the cooking and family does the cooking. I really don't. So I like that you're using the same pan though. Cuts down on dishes, but I'm assuming you're doing it for a different reason.
Well, yeah, we want to keep all the flavors that we're using because we're going to make the sauce out of that's where we put it all together. So we don't, depending on what you're making, you might want to or you might not want to. Don't hold it against your husband if he's using 4 or 5 pans.
He has like 4 or 5 pans. He's making a big mess to clean up when he
I get
cooks.
the same at home, okay?
Do you?
Yeah, I'm usually, use everything in the kitchen.
Do you clean as you go, or do you wait till the end?
Usually I
Or not at all.
know the kids
Wait
are
till
almost-
the end, you know?
What kind of pan? I'm impressed that you knew that was a pan, by the way. Because you don't do
Baby steps. Thank you to the Morning Blend.
What kind of pan is that? And it's because
It's a saute pan.
well,
Yeah,
I mean, well, can you mention brands or like the material? Is it stainless? Just
brass.
stainless steel pan?
Yeah, it's brass.
Oh, it's brass.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So it's an old school brass
Copper
pan.
mugs yesterday.
Yeah.
Brass pans today.
Suddenly it's 1922.
We're gonna add our prosciutto here. We're gonna
Okay.
try and get a little boil out of this. And cheese, and let that melt in there.
What's the difference between?
Nice Parmigiano.
I see the capers waiting instructions.
Those are
there.
peas.
They're not. What's the difference
Sweet
between a pea
peas.
and a caper?
Oh, complete difference. So the flavor profile, peas are sweet vegetable. Caper's more like an olive. It has
Salty, right?
pungent,
yeah.
salty flavor.
It's the same
So
family, though, isn't it?
I don't believe so. I would say that pea is a legume, whereas a caper is more of a berry.
Okay. Oh, okay. I gotcha.
Okay, so I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we got like 30 seconds, Gino.
Okay, so we're gonna get this together.
There's never enough time.
So
in television.
basically,
Peas.
yes, let Gino, never enough time in television.
Oh, hey, and a couple of quick shout-outs.
Salt.
Oh, you got the
Go
salt.
ahead. And
No,
a
a
touch
couple of quick
nutmeg.
shout-outs. One of your waiters, Ted Lewis, on the mend, should be back on the floor pretty soon, hopefully.
Yes, hopefully in the next by the end of next month.
Good old Ted.
Yeah, just
All
take a
right.
little break.
Look out for Ted and Kim Griot behind the bar, the best martini in town.
Well, you know what? I feel like I'm slacking.
Second that.
Normally, my job is to pour the wine, and we are almost out of time. I am pouring quickly. Gino, you're plating right there, aren't you?
I am.
Now you've paired a red wine with the white sauce. You're getting crazy
Yes.
here.
Well, it's white sauce, but it's a nice, rich, thick, creamy white
By the way,
sauce.
these
So
pours are all over the place. I apologize. We have got to go,
nice
Gino.
Tuscan. Salute.
Salute. Great seeing you.